How to unlink TikTok account with TikTok for Business. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlink TikTok account with TikTok for Business, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So, first of all, you will have to go to your profile and now click on the three horizontal lines on top of your screen. Now go to Settings and Privacy, and the first option, Account. The third option, as you can see, is Switch to Business Account. I can switch to Business Account whenever I want. They're going to explain me a little of the business account. I can click on Next. I can choose a category, for instance, gaming. Here I have an option, I can add my email, so they're going to send like messages to my contacts, but I can skip this part. I can skip my bio too if I want. And the profile has been completed, so I can create a video now or maybe later. And that's it. You're all set. Now I have my business account. If you want to go again to be your TikTok like a personal account, again go to your account and switch to personal account. Obviously they are going to let you know that if you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email, and you will still be responsible for any violations you received on your business account. So you can switch anyway if you want. And this is how you can unlink TikTok account with TikTok for Business. Thanks for watching.